Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my April Bellabox unboxing. I just received this yesterday and I am super excited. So this is what this month's box looks like. We got a pink box this month and it is so cute. I love it. Now we were actually supposed to be getting, I believe, a clay mask. I think the brand was called Sand and Sky, but they were an international company and they shipped it to New Zealand, but it got lost somewhere, so they weren't able to put that in our boxes this month. And they've done a replacement item. I believe it's the Pantene Micellar conditioner, which is fine. It personally doesn't bother me. So anyway, let's get unboxing. Ooh, this is my favorite part. Okay, so here we have the gorgeous box with the little bee. I love that little sticker. Here we go. And then we've got our Bellabox self-love delivered card, and then all the products on the back here. So that's good. And I love how, because April's obviously Easter, they've got the little eggs. That's real cool. So I'll pop that card down and then I'll try and show you guys without hopefully spilling everything. So this is what's in our box this month. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to just start with this product that I just saw. So this is the Linden Leaves. Okay, I just have to quickly say, I've been seeing Linden Leaves everywhere. I got a product of theirs in my, I think it was My Treat. I got one in there. I don't know if it was My Treat or if it was what was my other one? Oh, I can't remember my other subscription now. But anyway, I have got like pretty much a whole collection nearly of Linden Leaves, and I have used some of it. It is pretty good. I'm very excited to try this one. So this is the Linden Leaves Miraculous Facial Oil. So this is obviously just like a little sample size. Now that one there is, it is a sample size 3 ml, and it says your skin's new best friend. This antioxidant rich organic blend of rosehip and evening primrose oils infused with white tea will nourish, soothe and regenerate your complexion. Natru certified organic cosmetic, New Zealand made, cruelty free, no nasties, just like a good friend should be. That's pretty cool. And this one, the full size is 30 mils and it retails for $54.99 New Zealand dollars, and it's available at selected Life Pharmacies, H&J Smith, Smith & Co's and Ballantyne's. So there you go, that's that one there. Okay, next up we have got the Welda Arnica Sports Shower Gel. So that's how it looks there. I feel like I've heard of this brand before actually. I know Arnica. I feel like that's sounds familiar. But anyway, so this is also another sample size. This is 20 ml. And it says, Arnica to the rescue, soothes aching muscles before and after exercise. Welda Arnica Sports Shower Gel is a perfect exercise partner, stimulating freshness in a light transparent gel. Refreshing and energizing essential oils of rosemary and lavender are perfectly balanced to calm the mind and energize the body. Natru certified natural, contains no synthetic ingredients, and cruelty free. Retail price is $20.90 New Zealand dollars, and it's available at welda.co.nz, selected online retailers and health stores and pharmacies. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next up, so it's Pantene Pro-V Blends Micellar Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. This is a sample size because it's 100 ml. Now it says here, so the shampoo, and just quickly because I know we've got it as well, we do have the conditioner. So this one, same thing, but it's just the conditioner. So that's what they look like together. And it says on the card, For the shampoo, leave your locks looking shiny and strong with Pantene's Gentle Cleansing Shampoo, 0% silicones, parabens, and dyes. This formula works to remove impurities from root to tip, helping protect your hair's natural radiance. A blend of nutrients like provitamin, B5, antioxidants, sea salt, and micelles means it stays gentle on the scalp. So it's normally 300 ml and it retails for $13.99 New Zealand dollars, and that's available at Countdown. And then that's the shampoo. The conditioner is also 300 ml, $13.99, and that's available at Countdown as well. I won't read you the thing, it's pretty much the same thing. So I mean, this is a decent sample, because I hate when they send like those, like kind of like this. What is this? This is the next item. I won't show you guys just yet, but types of conditioner and shampoo samples and these types of things, I don't personally like that, because I don't think it's enough to get a full trial of the product, if you know what I mean. So yeah, very happy with those two. And then last, oh no, I lied, there is something else. We've got this little, what is this? Oh, this is our bonus item for this month. This is the Alpha H Micro Cleanse Super Scrub with glycolic acid. There's nothing other than saying that it's a bonus item on the card, so I'll read the back here. Okay, it says it is a granulated glycolic exfoliant formulated with jojoba microbeads to refine and reveal a new freshness to the complexion. Very cool. So yeah, you'd only get one use out of this, which is fine for a face product, because I'm assuming something like this would probably be a pretty penny. Okay, and then the very last thing that we have in here, oh yes, this was the item. I actually did forget about this. We got to choose this item in terms of the shade. So this is the Queen of the Fill Tinted Brow Gel by Elizabeth Mott. So I chose the color black because I got black eyebrows, but you could choose I don't know if it says on here. I think there was a few shades you could choose from. There was like brown, blonde, like I think there was like about 3 different shades of brown you could choose. So very excited to try this. So that Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill Brow Gel. It's full size, and it is a cruelty-free brow gel formula, and it provides polished brows with long-lasting definition, sculpt, groom, and perfect your brows with no more than a few swipes. Its firm-forming polymer technology coats each hair with a formula that's perfect for filling in sparse hair while staying water and sweat resistant. So this retails for $20, and this is in US dollars, and it's available at elizabethmott.com. Very cool. Well, anyway, that there is this month's April box. I am very happy with that. Like I said, I don't mind that they put in the conditioner instead of the clay mask that we're supposed to receive, and to me it makes sense. If they're giving a shampoo, why not put the conditioner in anyway? That makes normal sense. But I know there was some other boxes a few months back where they just gave only the conditioner and only the shampoo, vice versa. So to me it makes sense, just if you're going to put that in, put them both in, but you know, it is how it is. But yeah, other than that, I'm super happy with this month's box, and I will put everything in the description box below in terms of the products, prices, all of that fun stuff. And otherwise, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!